Welcome to Daily Vietnamese. Today we'll learn the top 10 travel phrases in Vietnamese easy and fast. Hello. Vietnamese Xin Chào. Where is the hotel? Vietnamese Kak San O Do? Where can I get a taxi? Vietnamese Toi Ko the Bat Taxi O Do? Where is the bathroom? Vietnamese Na Ve Sin O Do? Nia Bi Sin Eo Dio. What is this? Vietnamese Kai Nay La Gi? Kai Nai La Gi. Please give me the bill. Vietnamese Lam On Cho Toi Wa Don. How much is it? Vietnamese Bao Nhiêu Tien? Bao Nhiêu Sion. Please help me. Vietnamese Lam On Ju Toi. Where is the airport? Vietnamese San Bay O Do? Sien Bai Eo Dio. Thank you. Vietnamese Cam On Kakam Eon. Now let's practice. I'll say it in English, you say it in Vietnamese. Hello Xin Chào. Hotel Kak San O Do? Taxi Toi Ko the Bat Taxi O Do? Bathroom Na Ve Sin O Do? What is this Kai Nay La Gi? Great job! You just learned 10 must-know Vietnamese travel phrases. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily lessons.